Good morning, everyone. How you doing today? It's Thursday, and look, I am wearing the Rolling Stones this morning. Now, I looked at this shirt. It's from the 05. They actually stayed out to 07 on this, but the shirt says 05 to 06. And, school bus. Oh, yeah, buddy. And I was thinking, it must have been 06. I didn't work at this venue. Well, I did work in there at 05, but it was like right around Christmas time, and then in 06. The first thing I did there was a Neil Diamond show, and I survived. They put me on the rigging call for that, and it was like 130 feet up in the air. And so, like, if you survive that, they'll keep you around, I guess. And so the next thing they gave me in 05 was this great camera gig for these Asian shows. Like, these Atlantic City would get a lot of Asian shows anyway. But so that's what they do. Because they knew I love video and cameras and stuff. So I did that for a weekend, and I got paid the great rate, the show rate, the skilled rate. And then for the next 2 years, they make me do the difficult rigging stuff. You know, that's kind of how the unions do you. They hook you with some sweet gig, and then they give you the terrible work for years until, you know, you prove yourself or whatever. But anyway, this was in November 17th of 2006, this show, and it has actually had to be rescheduled. This was the second time they came because the first time Mick got laryngitis. So anyway, good morning. See you later.